In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a Crunchyroll account. Crunchyroll is a popular streaming platform for anime and manga lovers. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for Crunchyroll. Then tap and select the Crunchyroll app from the search results. And then download and install the Crunchyroll app on your device. Then open it. What you want to do next is tap where it says, Create Account. And then type in an email address and a password you want to associate with your Crunchyroll account. Then tap on the Create Account button. Now you've successfully created your Crunchyroll account. If you want to, you can purchase Crunchyroll Premium. I'm going to skip that for now. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.